Hey there! Ever feel like you work hard, but your money just doesn't seem to grow? It's like you're earning, but it's disappearing fast, right? Well, it might not be about how much you make, but how you manage your money. Today, we're diving into 7 money habits that could keep you stuck in the cycle of financial stress. But don't worry. Once you spot these habits, you can fix them. Let's get started. Number 1. Living beyond your means. First up, living beyond your means. It's easy to get tempted by those new gadgets, shiny cars, or the latest fashion trends. But if you're spending more than you earn, you're digging yourself into a hole. It's important to realize that just because you can afford something in the moment doesn't mean you should. Over time, this habit leads to debt and no savings. Tip: try sticking to only what you really need. Track your expenses and always spend less than you earn. This simple rule will give you the freedom and control you need over your money. Number 2. Not having a budget. Next, not having a budget. If you don't know where your money is going, how can you make smart financial decisions? A budget helps you track every dollar, so you can see where you're spending too much, where to cut back, and how to save more. Tip: start simple. Track your income and your expenses. Make sure you're not spending more than you're making. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated. It's about making intentional decisions with your money. Number 3. Procrastinating on saving and investing. We all tell ourselves, "I'll start tomorrow." But the truth is, the earlier you start saving and investing, the more your money will grow. Even if it's just a little bit, starting now makes a huge difference in the long run. Tip: don't wait for the perfect time, start today. Whether it's opening a savings account or putting a small percentage into an investment, the sooner you start, the better. Number 4. Credit card debt. Now, let's talk about credit card debt. Credit cards can be useful for building credit or making purchases. But if you're only making the minimum payments, your debt just keeps growing. The interest rates on credit cards are high, so you'll end up paying a lot more than you originally borrowed. Tip: pay off your cards as soon as you can. Focus on clearing your balances. Don't let interest pile up. If you can, avoid using credit unless it's absolutely necessary, and always make payments on time. Number 5. Avoiding financial education. If you don't understand the basics of budgeting, saving, and investing, it's nearly impossible to make good financial decisions. Not knowing how to manage money is like trying to drive a car without knowing how it works. Tip: invest time in learning about personal finance. Read books, watch videos, listen to podcasts. Whatever it takes to start understanding how money works. The more knowledge you have, the better financial choices you'll make in the future. Number 6. Not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. And without savings, set aside for emergencies. A sudden expense like a car repair or medical bill could send you into debt. Tip: build an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. This gives you peace of mind and ensures you're prepared for life's unexpected challenges without failing into financial stress. Number 7. Ignoring your health. And finally, ignoring your health. It might not seem like a financial issue, but poor health can lead to medical bills, missed work, and added stress on your finances. When you neglect your health now, you might pay for it later, not just with your well-being, but with your bank account too. Tip: take care of your body now. Eat well, exercise regularly, and make your health a priority. Preventing illness is cheaper than treating it, and you'll avoid major financial burdens down the road. Conclusion: there you have it, 7 money habits that might be holding you back from financial freedom. If you recognize any of these in your own life, don't worry. You can change them. It starts with small steps: creating a budget, paying off debt, learning about money, and saving consistently. With time, you'll start to see real progress and feel more in control of your finances. Remember, improving your money habits is a journey, and you're not alone on this path. Take it one step at a time, and soon you'll be on your way to financial security and freedom. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who could use some financial tips. Drop a comment below. What's the first habit you're going to work on? Let's chat, and I'll see you in the next video.